Hey there, this is Kim Manis from the Power BI team, and I'm here with Paginated Report Bearer. We just wanted to say thank you so much to the Power BI user groups and all of the Power Platform and Dynamics communities. Congratulations on your 1-year anniversary. Thank you to all the user group leaders, the members. It's been amazing getting to participate and learn from all of you. You make the product better every day. You help us get better every day, and we cannot wait to see what happens next. So thank you.
Hello, user group community. My name is Elsa Clark, and I'm the Operations Program Manager for Microsoft Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform community. Congratulations on celebrating your first user group anniversary. You must be so proud and so excited. I am joining you in that excitement. Thank you for making the world a better place by giving your time and your knowledge and sharing it with everybody. Congratulations.
Hello, everybody. Heather Newman here, wanting to say happy anniversary on our user group 1 year. Thank you so much, user group leaders and members, for all the momentum that you have brought to this experience. I am so thrilled seeing all the networking and sharing and feedback that is coming from you through this process and through this experience. I am so excited to see what's going to come next, and keep on joining us in the community.
I wanted to wish everyone a happy 1-year anniversary for the user groups. Over this past year, I've gotten the pleasure of meeting a lot of you and recording videos with you and community connections videos, and it's been inspiring and exciting to work with some of you to create video content and share in the community, and I can't wait to do more of that in the coming year.
Hi, my name is LaScola, and I'm a user group coordinator for the Community Success team. I want to wish the community a very happy 1-year anniversary. I'm so happy to be on this journey with all of you, and I look forward to growing our community together.
Hi everyone, my name is Brion, and I'm from the Cloud Marketing team. I just wanted to wish you a happy anniversary and thank you for all your contributions in helping make this a successful year for the Microsoft Biz Apps user group and communities. We look forward to continuing our successful partnership.
Hi there, Will Thompson from the Power BI product team here, and I'm here with Henry to say happy anniversary and thank you to everybody in the Power BI, Power Platform and Dynamics user groups. It's been great to see how you've built the community over the last year and see how you've built not just your own capabilities, but helped us build the product capabilities and built the data community at large. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens in the next year. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name's Kaye, Community Program Manager for the Microsoft Power BI community. Today we are celebrating our 1-year anniversary for the Microsoft Power Platform and Dynamics 365 user group experience. Woohoo! And why is it fabulous? Because of you, the community. This is all of the user group leaders and user group members coming to one place on our user group experience to learn from each other, to teach each other, and to grow their knowledge. And it's a beautiful thing. It's learning together. So we wanted to say thank you for everything that you do, and we can't wait to see what will happen in the next year and how much we're going to learn and grow.